If you are looking for a tool that can generate entire video in just one prompt and is 100% free, meet Augie. Augie is 100% free. Go to the browser and type Meet Augie. Augie is a completely free AI text-to-video generation tool. Let's begin the tutorial. Sign up for a completely free account. After signing in, you will find this kind of interface. From here, select Create option. You can start by using existing audio video or an existing script. In this example, we will start from scratch. Now select I am starting from scratch. Click the option. Let's go. Now, you can select your video objectives, such as the goal of the video, the target audience, location, and the tone. Type your prompt on the topic input. Explain what you want to create using natural language input. Click the Let's Go button to start generating your AI video script. After the script has been generated, select the AI voice actor from the voice menu.
Luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity.
Click the Preview button to generate the AI voiceover. Click the Play button to listen to the results.
In the realm of innovative problem solving, where strategies are forged and boundaries overcome, lies the art of prompt engineering. It is a world where ideas take flight and
If you like the voiceover, click the Let's Go button. Now select the orientation and click Next. Part 4. Appearance. In this step, you need to choose image or video sources suggested by Augie. Check the media sources you want to use or uncheck them if you don't. You can also use your own media. You can specify your media by typing your keyword in the keyword bar below. Click Next to continue. Final part, review and rendering.
in the realm of innovative
Let's review our video script, orientation, and appearance. If everything is okay, click the check button and then click Create. Now click the generated video to open it in Video Editor. In the Video Editor, you can easily change the video parts. After everything is set, click the Download button to download the video.